I'm Melissa Chowdhury, candidate for Congress in Washington's 9th District. Today, I want to honor and celebrate China's National Day, marking the founding of the People's Republic of China. For many, this is a time of joy, reflection, and unity as families come together during Golden Week to celebrate the rich heritage and achievements of Chinese culture. As we recognize this important day, it is also a time to reflect on the values that unite us all. Here in Washington's 9th District, we are blessed with a vibrant Chinese community, immigrants and Americans of Chinese descent, who contribute so much to our collective strength and diversity. Whether through your hard work, creativity, or your commitment to education and family, the virtues of peace, tolerance, and mutual respect resonate deeply with both American and Chinese traditions. However, we must also acknowledge the difficult history of racism and exclusion that Chinese immigrants have faced here in the United States. From the Chinese Exclusion Act to more subtle forms of discrimination, these injustices remind us that the journey toward true liberty and justice for all is ongoing. It is only by confronting these truths that we can build a future where everyone, regardless of origin, is embraced and respected. As we look toward that future, it's clear that our strength lies not in viewing one another as rivals or threats, but as partners. Partners working together to create a better, more inclusive society in a vibrant and peaceful world. Here in our district, people from all walks of life, whether of American, Chinese, or any other heritage, share the common dream of peace, prosperity, and the chance to thrive in a world of dignity and respect. So today, as we honor China's National Day, let us also celebrate the shared values that bind us together and commit to working hand in hand for a future built on justice, equality, and mutual respect. Thank you.